Did you know there's a painting that survived every fire it's ever been in? They called it the Crying Boy, and every home that hung it eventually burned to ash. Everything except the painting. It started in the 1980s, across dozens of homes in England. Each fire, different families, different towns. But when firefighters searched the wreckage, there it was. The same sad boy, eyes wet, canvas untouched. They said no flame could touch him, no smoke could stain him, like he wanted to survive. They say the painter cursed the work after his model died in a blaze. Others believe the boy's spirit was trapped inside. People tried burning it, burying it, even locking it away. But wherever it went, fires followed. So if you ever see a painting of a crying child, don't hang it on your wall. Because some art doesn't want to be admired. It wants to watch you burn.